Kia ora whānau. Get my hand out of the way. Anyway, we're here in Whakatāne. We are playing the A Teams Regional Fourth. A Teams darts. We've got 4 teams here. We've got Whakatāne. We've got Waihi. Geyserland from Marotorua. And Kaimai from Tauranga Ways. Now you're wondering, Shay, you're from Murupara. So what are you doing there? Well, anyway, I'm a part of the Kaimai's Dart Association. So they were scrapping for players, so they gave the call out to Murupara. And here we are. Me and Hutton are here. We're Kaimai up, but I was still representing Murupara. So yeah, I'll get some footage of the day and get this stuff uploaded. Cool.
So, here we go, people. Darts. People in their natural habitat. Those dart players again. So right in front of us, we've got Waihi playing Kaimai, the ladies, on these closest 2 boards, and the other 2 boards are over the way. There's the men's Kaimais and Waihi. And on the far side, you have Geyserland. Hi, May! And Geyserland playing Whakatāne. So the format for this is pairs. Play everyone in pairs and then 1 game of singles and then move along. So this is all new to me. This is all new. So you can go Region 4 into Association A teams. Yeah, Kaimai's plodding along. We had a good game against Geyser, the men's. So that's that. Hi, JD.
Oh, say hello.
Any special hellos to anyone in particular?
No, I'll just say hello to everyone.
Aye.
Smile.
It's just about.
You're lucky.
Very.
But I went to go and hike by Maureen with Dawn at 10.
I think this is healthy, people. Seafood chowder. If it's not, I'm sorry. I ain't a breed. But I haven't touched it. No, I haven't. Honest. The women of Waihi are still playing against our team Kaimai. Down there. Geyserland men's are playing Whakatāne men's in the singles.